Abu Minisky here Lenke. Aguna brothers no F around. Yeah, Jiska. Dollar, pounds. Shemi steez no. Meba me steez no. Abu Trica to pressure ma buy. Follow for the munda. Say the Abu Trica to pressure ma buy papa. Welcome to the FMS training name to utility guy. Make sure you like, subscribe, and you put us on post notifications so when you drop content, you'll be the first person to view it. Viewership is very, very important for one side. It's also share content in my app. Share content, no boys, no back content. Share. You know, apostle no share. Abu Trica is in court once again. You been come about the case, after say granting the bail, Now Abu Trica and his illegal team are in court right now. Now, eminence society, they want them to quash the extradition thing now. And in the US, they want the basic court to, quash everything. And it's now Abu Wako. So Abu was spotted in court today. Let's watch the video. Abu hearing the lawyer, they've done very well. They be Abu books they could and do to say drafting legal basis, legal evidence, evidential statement, and then they go back here, Abu. So no matter the situation, Abu on making sure say extraditing in US, very, very, very important for the side of Abu. So BBA question, and one of the legal team members of Abu. Everything come about their main aim until they are in court right now for Abu Trica, and he explained a lot. Let's watch the video.
Abu's case, the basic court has given its committal order, and then we are seeking to quash it by certiorari. So it's pending before the court, and then we have a human rights matter to pending at the human rights court, as well as when he was in custody, we filed a habeas corpus. So now that he's out, there are new facts that have come up, in which the High Court being a court of record, we are seeking to bring those facts by way of a supplementary affidavit for the court to determine the matter based on evidence and then the facts and the circumstances around our application. The High Court being a court of record. So we sought leave today by a motion. But then the Republic sought to abridge time and the court heeded them. So we moved the motion today, and we're coming back on the 11th of May for a ruling on it. Either they'll give us leave, they'll grant us leave to file a supplementary to bring the facts before the court. 11th of June. Sorry, not 11th May, 11th June.
What does this mean for you and your clients?
Oh, it's due process, and then rule of law. Everything should be determined on evidence and the facts and the circumstances, and then it should be by due process. It should be heard. It can't be that it's extradition. So when a district court just gives committal, it should be bundled and taken away. No, he has every right as a Ghanaian citizen.
And you think your application would be upheld?
No, that would be prejudicial. Let me leave it to the judge to determine.
So this is Abu's lawyer, and I wouldn't come on. Yes, was it the first thing he, as a lawyer, and the team they tried to do was to make sure Abu gets the necessary bail? Then after that, they will, feed on that bail to secure him from he being extradited to America. Yes, and they're very important because so to me bailing partner through the bail, and I'm making gather enough evidential statement. Nama kwa Jina court then in my present actual court, Now at the end of the day, if the court is able to side with you guys, they will give the verdict in favor of you, then you will not be extradited. It is an Abu case na kwa say. See, I'm on at the end of the day, our brother Abu Trica will not be extradited to America because they be the bill Abu Trica has even gotten it's a first step. I just said there is something positive about me about. So I'm hoping to say at the end of the day you not be extradited because Abu, there are people that only depending on Abu our Aguna Swedru. Look at how when Abu was in prison, the Aguna Swedru people were protesting for the release of Abu. Oshebimu school. Abu improved sanitation or her. Abu created some minor jobs for people. My mom for capital, my mom for the edge, my Aguna Swedru. So a personality like that, you know, no one will want such personality to go into trouble. So the Swedru people, no many in Jakarta said they are Publico US, they are extraditing in Ako US, you know. Until they are all praying, saying Abu wouldn't go to the US, he will stay and make Aguna Swedru proud. And one thing and one person me recommend and I'm hey. One person me recommend Abu wife no. Yes, Abu because there are some girls that by now, hey, me I don't want to be involved. Oh. And she say, she call me DBT. Oh, you see that mindset. But supportive wife. She has supported Abu through highs and lows. The time we were doing free Abu protest, you know, this woman was, in the whole demonstration thing, begging, granting interview. She was not even shy to reveal herself as Abu's wife. To are supporting the clues it's a balance with the range of a manner. Don't sit somewhere, don't sit at your balcony and talk, say, Adeya, we go digger, no pay Abu. Someone who doesn't like Abu will not do this for Abu. Honestly, I'm Abu da. So I will commend her. And also the lawyers now has done really well. How they are handling the case. They are handling the case very well legally. Court they cannot create a honor. Court and cannot create come round the court into more come round come and they delay every process now. And I'm hoping at the end of the day Abu will not be extradited. Another story is yesterday Patapaa was angry. He went to a certain hotel to sleep, and upon his arrival, it is assumed the hotel receptionist treated Patapaa very badly, and Patapaa was angry. To go and see now. Let's watch the video.
I'm on social media. I'm not great. I'm down football back. So people will tell not the case. Master or you have to welcome him. Oh, bro, but you get it. This university. Then you have to admit the media. TV3. Now there's
it seems that the disrespect on Patapaa is becoming too much. I don't know why today people still disrespect Patapaa. Because the Patapaa in the necessary face card needs, you know. I think people are making it look like he's not a human being or something. Because how can a celebrity come to your hotel and be treated that way Patapaa is being treated? Are we being fair? And he deserves to be angry. One statement that Patapaa making is saying, when you're doing a hotel business, even if the person be mad person, you have to treat the person very well because he paid for the service. So the receptionist, I don't know the actual thing really happened, but you can't treat someone like that. Let's not forget, in as much maybe Patapaa fading off, no, Patapaa is still a celebrity. Patapaa will organize a show at a certain towns in Kumasi or even part of Ghana where it will be sold out. And you people shouldn't be treating Patapaa like that. It started from the TGMA days, you know. He deserved Vodafone Most Popular Music Award of the Year. They gave it to Francis Gadam. Disrespect. From there has been numerous people promoting Patapaa face card. Editing attempts including Kojon Cancel and win. Me who have seen Patapaa, me who have seen way. Even Obede himself. Was it come from me some man me go say and Patapaa na perform me here say. Disrespect. And that thing also be anti Patapaa say obi say and Patapaa too harsh na say. And disrespect. Not because it's a camp and for me, and come and make guase, and Patapaa and perform me yasia. It means there no guase and no, and then guase anyone a Patapaa perform way yasi. So that respect on Patapaa is becoming too much. To understand to a hotel, paid service, and you are treating him like this. Yeah, but you see, you watch all these if they free, there are some people in the industry they sabotage others. Will be normal. They painted Patapaa very black, and Patapaa himself is branding in the So this has been the FMS trend. Yes, what really went on from Abu Trica court case to Patapaa being abused at a hotel that led to a fight. Yes, I'll bring you more updates. I'm out.